I am Saurabh Tiwari. I am very happy to join you all, and especially thank to Professor Prabhat. I congratulate all of you, especially IIT BHU, which organized such a special conference, River Health Assessment to Restoration RHAR 2025. I came to know that this is the third, I think, fourth program of us like this. I am not expert. You are all here. Are expert of the planning policy. I have only to see what is the conclusion came out here, and I have to put all this conclusion. I will again talk to Professor Prabhat. Kindly give me the conclusion. I will put up before the Honorable Supreme Court, Honorable High Court, or Honorable NGT. Problem is, we have a technology. We have a very good expert. The problem is, there is a problem in implementation. This is the subject matter of this session. Implementation is the biggest problem. If we have a technology and there is no implementation at all, then that will not work. And our river system, ecosystem is deteriorated every day, day by day. And the IS officer, so-called IS officer, they think that they are expert in every field. We are river scientists, we are doctor, we are lawyer, we are everything. This is the problem at all, I think. I have at present, due to such condition in Varanasi, river Assi and Varuna, I am very painful about it. I have communicated to the Professor Chaudhary is here. In 2021, I have proceeded to Honorable NGT in person. Because in person, if अगर आप दूसरे को पिटिशनर बनाते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट और जो ये मशीनरी है उनको ऊपर प्रेशर बनाएगी. मैंने कहा कि मुझे खुद आना चाहिए इसमें. तो इन पर्सन इट इज नॉट गुड कि एडवोकेट खुद इन पर्सन जाए, वो अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है जुडिशियरी के लिए. लेकिन हमने सोचा कि आई हैव टू गो. A very good order has been passed, 44 pages, and very comprehensive order by Sri Justice Bench. Honorable Supreme Court Justice, that time was Chairman A.K. Goyal, and Justice Sudhir Agarwal is a very brilliant judge of the Allahabad High Court. Then he is now retired, and then he is also a member, and the S. N. Thilwell, Professor of the Kerala. तो ये इन लोगों ने 44 पेज का जो जजमेंट दिया, दैट इज वेरी कंक्लूसिव जजमेंट, बट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन हैज नॉट बीन देयर. देयर इज नो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. केवल पॉलिसी बनती है 137 करोड़ 150 करोड़, कोई इम्प्लीमेंटेशन है ही नहीं. तो टेक्नोलॉजी का क्या मतलब है? ये जो पॉलिसी, अच्छा सबसे बड़ी बात है कि अब अगर हाईकोर्ट, मैं उस केस को ऑनरेबल एनजीटी लेके गया, बिकॉज High Court judges has no expertise in that, and the state government advocate and the so-called IS officer always mislead them because that is not aware about the technology. But in NGT there is an expertise there, so they always counter their opinion. And finally, जब ये आदेश 2021 का इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ तो मुझे जाना पड़ा एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए. एग्जीक्यूशन मुझे फाइल करना पड़ा उस जजमेंट का. इतनी कमिटी तो बन गई. एग्जीक्यूशन कमिटी इज देयर हेडेड बाय द डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट, सुपरवाइजरी कमिटी इज देयर हेडेड बाय द कमिश्नर, बट ओनली ऑन पेपर. अखबारों में सुर्खियां छप जाती हैं कि डीएम ने ये दिया, वो पढ़ता रहता हूं, देखता रहता हूं. पूरे देश का तो यही स्थिति है. देन in execution also, surprisingly, I am not against anybody. I am a government advocate also. In a special cases, state of UP engaged me in the tourism department, but I am not against anyone.